Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Atla Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the Bitcoin ETF ads may appear on Google starting today on Monday because Google has made some changes. Then, Schwab could be the next big guy who enters into the Bitcoin Spot ETF competition. And then when we're looking at Grayscale's GBTC profit taking, it's likely over and it's changing now. And we can see that Bitcoin price is holding itself also pretty well. So guys, all this in today's video. Last week I was ill, apologize, but I was at home for the whole week, coughing, fever, headache, and so on and so forth. I don't know, I can't remember when last time I had something like this in my life. At least 5-6 years, who knows. Yeah, I wasn't able to make these daily videos, but today I'm back. I'm not fully recovered, as you can hear my voice, and I still have this strong coughing going on, but at least the fever and headache and all these kind of things went away. So, by the way, if you would like to keep yourself up to date, don't forget, just subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and you will get the daily fresh cryptocurrency blockchain related videos here on this channel, short videos, longer videos, bottom line, to keep you up to date. If you like this kind of content, hit the like button, and now let's do it. Okay, and for a start, when we're looking at the prices, we can see that Bitcoin is actually 0.6% down in the last 24 hours. It makes the price $42,348. Ethereum about 1% down, $2,274. The top winner is Conflux with 10% up. Then we have Flare about 3%, IOTA 2.5%. Among the losers, we have Pith Network 8%, almost 9% down. Mental 7.6% down, and BitTorrent about 6% down. So not major moves up and down, sideways moves right now. When we're looking at the Bitcoin candlestick chart, then we can see that last week we did go all the way down on the 23rd of January to 38,500-ish. But that was so far the local bottom. And now, as you can see, we came back since, and then, well, we do using now this trend line as an resistance. And this 42,000-ish works as a support. So we're going to see how this is going to, work out. If we break this trend line, then we can go to the next stop, which is around 44,000-ish. And yeah, actually, it's pretty impressive that during this sell pressure, what we had with Grayscale and, because of FTX and so on and so forth last week, Bitcoin held itself that well. Guess what? How much buying pressure it needs from the other side to get the balance. Yeah. Also, recently the Core PCE data came out, and actually the forecast was 3%. It became 2.9. So actually, this playing out pretty well. FOMC meeting end of this month, 31st of January, and the forecast is that probably they're not going to decrease the interest rate, but just pause. And another important in Bitcoin, about 80 days to go until the halving, so it's getting very, very close. Right, guys, and now let's move to the first topic, that you can find actually crypto related ads from today in Google. Well, there are some changes about to made here in Google, and you can see that Google is set to update its policy to allow certain cryptocurrency products to be advertised on the major search engine. Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, Bitcoin ETF, appears likely to be to meet the criteria, obviously, and sparking speculation with the crypto industry. So now, big things happening. In January, beginning of this year, the Bitcoin Spot ETF approval happened. A day later, the trading has started, and now you can see how much Bitcoin these ETF providers have already accumulated, kind of a lot, but I'm going to talk about it in a second. And then now the Google, the big guy, is allowing now certain crypto ads, and probably Bitcoin ETFs are the ones to be advertised. And just when looking at the Bitcoin as search term, it started to increase recently in Google. Since September, it's just going up. It's not close to all-time high, but we started to go up, and this is just right now here, the beginning. Okay, second thing I would like to talk about is all about the Schwab could be the next one who joins this Bitcoin Spot ETF competition. Schwab is usually not the first, but when they join, probably they would like to be big in the game. And it's likely that they sooner or later, probably rather sooner than later, join this Bitcoin Spot ETF competition. And here we have Balkunas, who said that don't sleep on Schwab. They're never first to make it in anything, but they make back impact when they come in with dirt cheap fees plus 30 million active brokerage acts, and they do not like fidelity, so FBTC success could annoy them to file something sooner rather than later. And yeah, we can see that so far the Bitcoin ETFs is successful. Okay, we had this GBTC kind of thing, the outflows and the sell pressure, but now it's getting normalized. And then this is the next topic I would like to talk about. So let's talk about this Grayscale GBTC profit taking. It's likely over. Well, so first of all, it looks like that this Grayscale GBTC profit taking is likely over. And when we're looking at here this graph, which I found at Invest Answer, then you can see it that this brown line is the one which shows the sell pressure from GBTC. And yeah, it started heavily, but actually after 11 days, you can see in the last 2 days, it's coming back, and it's nothing close than it was before. And altogether in 11 trading days, the other guys have accumulated more than 144,000 Bitcoin. And this is very important, because if you just think about it, that in a day now 900 Bitcoin can get into the system. And as I showed before, we have 80 days to the halving. So basically after halving, we're going to have just 450 Bitcoin entering into the system per day. This is per month now, 27,000 and 13,500 after the halving, after 80 days. And these guys have collected a significant amount, 144,000 Bitcoin, roughly speaking, in 11 trading days. So yeah, we can see how big is the buying pressure. And they more accumulating, maybe, Schwab and some others also joined the game, participating in it. And, the OTC market is about to dry out sooner or later. And then we have the Grayscale outflows also likely to be, faded out now, which could mean that price is probably coming back. And we're going to continue as to this year. It's going to be a bullish one for crypto, as long as it looks like from now. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I bring you the freshest cryptocurrency and blockchain news here on Blockchain Bloom. So if you don't want to miss a single thing, just simply subscribe to this YouTube channel and also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.